What's going on, guys? This is a 150-day update after purchasing this motel, and I've got to be honest with you, I couldn't even do an update last month because the numbers were so bad. It was our worst month ever. I couldn't take it. I was very stressed, very anxious. However, we just had a banger month for April, and I'm so excited to share it with you. We also got so full that we had left these units and I'd moved them over to other projects. And we had to rush back over, and we are now cranking through so that we're ready for bookings that we've already made in May and into June and July. So we're gonna share you all those details. We're gonna share how much we made and what the numbers are looking like now, and show you where we're at on these renovations. So with that being said, let's jump into it. All right, now I'm gonna run you through all of the numbers. However, I wanted to show you some of the projects we've done. Also, being transparent, I think we only brought in $7,000 or $8,000 last month, which was very, very painful. And so it makes me really happy to give you the update this month because we're actually in the green, which is a great sign. Just to give you a little teaser, we are over $5,000 higher this month in April than we were last year with the previous owner in April, which hopefully means we're set up for a banger summer. We also just realized that our competition just went out of business for another low-end motel. Let's not say low-end. This is a classy place, but it is inexpensive. And so hearing they went out of business is a big benefit for us because we're gonna get all of their business, I hope. On top of that though, looking at last year's month, to be able to be $4,000 or $5,000 higher this year than it was with the previous owner is really exciting. But $1,000 of that income came from online bookings. And so we had over $1,000 this month from online bookings. We also already have bookings into the future. If you can't tell, I'm very excited about where the motel is headed. And we knew we had to survive the winter. Now I'm wishing we would have put more money into these renovations so we were more ready for the rush that we're getting, but let's go look. So first things first, this is one of the units that we stalled out. As you can see, we've got all new flooring in, we've got new paint. I'm not even gonna take you back into the bathroom because they are working on tile right now and it is gonna look phenomenal, but we're hoping this will be done this week. So if we wanna take you down to this other one, we also had to hire more staff. We're gonna talk about the impact that that's had, but we've got now our main management and 2 cleaners on staff, which is exciting. So hopefully we'll be all geared up for the summer. So over here in this unit, this is the one that I did not have the courage to show you guys because it was wrecked. We stripped everything out and we're hoping this will be done this week. Next month's update is gonna be crazy because all of these have to be done. So we've got this unit, that unit, that unit, and that unit that all need to be ready. And a couple of them need to be ready this week. So we're gonna be pouring a lot of guys in here. As you can see, this has been completely stripped. I'm now comfortable sharing it with you. We're gonna get this cleaned up. We're gonna get new paint, new flooring. It's gonna look awesome when we're finished with it. The other unit over here, and again, bear with me. I just wanted to show you all the projects and then show you where the numbers are at because it's exciting. Also, shout out to the staff. The place looks awesome. They've got the grass looking good. They've been cleaning up the weeds. They keep everything super nice. In here, this is the unit that was redone. As you can see, we've already been booking this just as an individual room. We've needed storage for other stuff, but we got all of the carpet done and this room is ready to roll. We just need to get all of the, as you can see, we've got furniture in. We're gonna do a queen on the base and a twin on top. And then this one is gonna be ready to go as a bigger unit. And we already have this booked out multiple times throughout the summer. So we're really excited about that. Also, if you take a peek in here, I got a little bit of flack for choosing to do this, but this is the bathroom that we completely resealed. And guys, I'm gonna keep an eye on it, but I am flabbergasted at how nice it looks having all of this redone. And it's already been used by multiple people because we just doored this off. We've been using it for storage, and then we have been renting this one out. So really excited about how this has come together. Mostly really excited about the money that now has been rolling into these units. All right, guys, so I just kicked some of our staff out to show you this room. This is one that we completely redid that they're getting ready to go for tonight. So as you can see, we're just getting bedding down. It looks awesome, got nice new flooring. We put this in, we've got the bathroom ready to go. And so we are really excited about how this turned out. This one, you can see we put in a new vanity and we left the old tile. That is on the list. However, with how busy we've been with bookings, we just needed it. And so I'm assuming we're going to reseal that like we did the other one, but it'll be nice to wait on those projects until after the summer so we can see how the other one fared. So with that being said, we'll jump out of here and let them get back to it. All right, guys, this is the last one we're working on. We have so many going right now. As you can see, we had all the flooring torn up, and we are, man, we've got a lot of work. I'm really excited about what we made this month. A little more anxious about how big my bill is going to be because maybe we didn't make what I thought with all that we have to do. But if we can have all of these filled, we can get as high as, I think it ends up being now $30,000 per month if we're full, maybe even a little bit higher than that. If we get there, we will be crushing it and we'll make up for a lot of these expenses and a lot of time where we were just breaking even or losing money. So I'm hoping that's what's gonna happen. So now that you've seen all the projects we've got going on, I know it seems crazy because they've been sitting for 2 months, but we've had crews at other places and I'm very confident in the next 2 weeks we're gonna have this done. And the next time we come through, we might not even be able to show you because they're gonna be full. So I'll see if I can sneak over throughout the month to show you finished product on these, but I'm really excited about how we're looking on all of these units. Now, I know the big question you've got is, Chandler, how much did it bring in this month? And so I'm gonna start by showing you the expenses. This is not including renovations. So again, we're gonna show you those next month. But for payroll this month, we went up a little bit. We ended up being $3,200. Keep in mind, we provide housing for a lot of the people that work here. So that is above and beyond them getting free housing. We also have utilities that are $1,200. We have miscellaneous expenses. A lot of this is like getting coffee stuff and whatever other supplies they need. That was $350. We have internet that's $189, and then we have the mortgage that's $3,991. That put us at a total of $8,930. I think $9,000 is a more realistic expectation for how much we're gonna have coming out, and in the busy months, probably closer to $10,000 to be able to cover staffing. So $8,930, but we brought in $14,186 this month. So if you deduct the expenses, that left us in the green of $5,256. Now that's all gonna get eaten up by these renovations, but in previous month, I think they told me they were only at $8,000 or $9,000 in April 1 year ago. So that's really exciting, especially because $1,000 of those bookings came in from being online. I also think a lot of times if they're like me and you see a booking online, then you see the place and you call to see if there's a discount. I think we've got some of that going on where we're getting extra advertising, but it is very exciting to see us up at this mark. If I could have this consistently all year, I would be stoked at the overall return. Now, the reason I can't have that all year is in the winters, it drops down. In the summers, it picks up. We're hoping to hit that $30,000 month at least once this summer. Now, maybe that is a outrageous goal, but if we could do that, it would make up and offset a ton. But now we've just got to have our fingers crossed and we've got to make sure that we are ready to roll and that everything is good to go. Whew, that was a whirlwind. Hopefully you guys were able to hang with us for all of that. We're gonna see, and I will give you a breakdown on how much all of these renovations cost. I'm sure it's $5,000 here, $10,000 there, $5,000 there. I'm guessing we've probably got $20,000 to $30,000 that are gonna go out, but that's just business. We knew this first year we were probably gonna be a little bit upside down. However, if I can get to the point where we're break even after doing all of these renovations and we are just ready to clip next year, and now we've got online bookings, we've got all of these other things structured well, we've got a lot of these units redone, I'm gonna be really, really excited at what we're looking at. Also, because we'd look really good if we decided we wanted to flip this property. Now, I have no intention right now of doing that. However, I love to see adding in a lot of equity to this business. Now, last thing, there have been a lot of naysayers on there giving me flack about jumping into a motel. Are there lots of things that I don't know? Yes. Has it been way more time, effort, energy, and money than expected? Yes, but it is exciting to see money come into this business, and it's been a cool experience, and seems like you guys really like it. And I think there are lots of people out there that might not be in my situation, that maybe their only investment is something like this. And if this gives you the courage to jump into something unique and make it beautiful and turn it into a thriving business, then hey, That would be awesome. So if you guys enjoy these videos, make sure you remember to like, subscribe, hit the little bell, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the future videos. Thanks, guys.